Thank you, Sudha. Wow, you generated a lot of curiosity in me about conscious parenting. Has increased my eagerness to listen to wonderful sessions lined up for the day. Good morning. My name is Narsimha Pamidi. I live in Atlanta, have a beautiful family. Sirisha is my wife and two beautiful sons. I've always been guided by masters through my life in the form of my parents in my younger days and later accelerated my spiritual journey with the help of my soulmate, my guru, my aspiration. That's my wife, Sirisha Pamidi. Have been actively engaged with PSSM US organization and meditation since 2017. PSSM USA is a wing of PSSM India. PSSM is Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, was founded by Brahmashri Pitama Patriji in the year 1990 with the objective of spreading the message of spiritual realities and spiritual science to one and all. Today, PSSM comprises of independent, autonomous pyramid spiritual societies involving millions of active members and volunteers across all the continents. PSSM is a non-religious, non-profit spiritual scientific organization and movement with ever-growing genuine seekers. PSSM. PSSM plays a significant part of current worldwide New Age spiritual revolution. It is a movement of leading humanity from violence to non-violence, from blind religious beliefs to scientific and spiritual scientific experimentation, from bankrupt materialism to middle path and promoting vegetarianism. And also PSSM is a non-religious, non-profit spiritual scientific organization with a movement of ever-growing genuine seekers. Under the flagship of PSSM USA, spiritual masters have been committed in spreading the principles and benefits of meditation. We have established pyramid centers across USA, namely in Indianapolis, Atlanta, Dallas, Denver, Austin, California, Chicago, and North Carolina. We offer group meditation sessions, guided meditation sessions, one-on-one sessions, and digital summits, much more activities. In addition, we have tailored our programs to cater the needs of corporate and business world with the goal of self-realization, healthy life, and self-empowerment. Being part of the organization, you get to network with spiritual masters across the globe, access to knowledge repositories, magazines, and other information to various digital workshops and other events. I have immensely benefited from spiritual and the materialistic world being part of the organization. And on the behalf of PSSM USA, I extend invitation to you all. Please watch out for contact information displayed during the sessions. Now let's watch a video about PSSM and meditation.